Hello and welcome to Tech24, your ultimate source for all things tech and innovation. Today, we're taking a look at the Prefab Home for 3, a 40 feet long tiny home with a balcony, spacious bedroom, and your choice of a kitchen or living room. This tiny home is the best place to live in, featuring smart door entry, a smart washroom, and 2 air conditioners to keep you cool in any climate. But what really sets this prefabricated mobile container house apart is its stylish and modern appearance, its ability to withstand outdoor conditions, and its lifespan of more than 50 years. The outdoor mobile capsule house is not only easy to move, but it also has a built-in kitchenette and bathroom facilities for easy access to amenities. One of the most exciting features of this mobile home is the 270-degree panoramic glass, which offers an excellent viewing effect of the surroundings. This makes it the perfect house to live in, providing privacy, security, and a comfortable check-in experience. Wait. Upgrade to the Prefab Home for 3 today and experience modern luxury and fun in a portable house. Click the link in the description to learn more and make your purchase. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own the best tiny home out there. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech finds. Thanks for watching.